The weather conditions in the Western Division is expected to leave a fat bill in damages. Apart from businesses closing, infrastructure, especially roads, have been affected the worst. Not to mention the many lives that have been affected because of the active trough of low pressure that is currently slow moving over Fiji. A Fiji One news crew was in Nadi town last night when the tide was coming in. While the imposed movement restrictions within the central business district may have kept the public safe from the rising waters, the shops have clearly faced the full brunt of the floods. Images sent by members of the public show that despite numerous precautionary measures and warnings, some still are out and about swimming in flooded waterways. Debris flowing downriver is also clogging up waterways, which is contributing to rising water levels. In Raki, residents of the town rushed to this open supermarket to stock up on supplies for this wet weather. And for others, it was business as usual as these vendors sold their produce on roadsides.